Good afternoon, Jocelyn.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Jocelyn Garcia, 35 years old, married. I have one daughter. I am a graduate of computer science, and I work as a helper for 2 years here in Philippines.
What do you do in your employer's house?
Child caring, ma'am, and all the household chores.
How old is the child?
2, ma'am.
So your main duty is child caring?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of child caring do you do with your employer's child?
Make the child safe all the time, ma'am, and feed her on time, take her a bath, tutoring, and I play with her, and we watch a TV program that's our education.
What other household chores do you do?
Cooking, laundry, ironing, and cleaning.
This is your first time to be employed in Hong
Yes,
Kong? Is it okay with you if you're going to undergo training for
Yes.
Hong Kong employment? How can you cope up with your homesickness?
Maybe I will keep myself busy.
See, what if your employer in Hong Kong cannot provide you weekend day off, but instead on weekdays? Is it okay with you?
It's
Do you know how to operate some electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Washing machine, vacuum, and oven.
Do you have any experience in taking care of elderly person?
None.
Only children?
Children.
Is it okay if you follow all the instructions from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Any allergy to food or any allergen? Are you prepared to work for a family with more than 6 members?
Okay.
Okay. Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while at work?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Any message for your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, if I will be given a chance to work with you, I promise to do my best and do full responsibility seriously. I know you require a person who can be trusted. I consider myself honest, responsible, and hardworking.
So, Jocelyn, thank you. Bye-bye.